Here, Turner.
Wow.
Well, we'll open it, but here's you a box to put yours in. Okay?
I'm gonna be Hulk.
Yes, he shared with you.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna share.
Okay, there.
But sometimes you don't have to share the first
Now,
game.
guys, you won't, at the party, we probably won't, you really won't get a present, okay? Is that all right?
Yeah.
We'll have other presents.
Yeah. Mommy,
Well,
this is my present for this.
Presents.
Mommy, this is
I'm
my
just
phone.
saying.
I think I know what it is. Please start Lego. What? Please start Legos. Please call Legos. Again, the Hulk Lego
Show them to us.
big.